So after my shift, I'll go to the technical school at Lowell Tech. I ended up finishing that, got my certificate. The school makes sure that you're ready to go into the main field. I am Jerry. I am a machinist at Straumann Group. I always heard about Straumann as one of the best machining company. I used to be in the healthcare field, but I ended up changing careers. The career advancement here is awesome. I worked so hard to move up that now I am comfortable in my career and lifestyle outside of work. I'm able to take care of my family. I got a house last year. I don't see myself doing anything else but this, because you can have a very, very bright future if you want to and keep pushing yourself.